Hi everybody, my name's Matt Elliott and I'm with Garrity RV Supercenters. Today we're at the Eugene RV Palooza, which is the first of many big shows we do all year. And I'm going to show you brand new Galleria. This is a 2018, so if you're looking for that 218 and to save a little bit of money, we have this one here. It's a great one for you to look at. It's brand new, but the 19s are out and there's some savings available on this one. So this is, first of all, this is a Galleria 24QM. It's a 4-seater with a power sofa in the back. We'll see that in just a moment. I just want to take a minute to explain this is on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis, 3-liter V6 turbo diesel, and known for tremendous fuel economy, probably in the range of 22 or better depending on how you drive and how loaded you are. And also well known for longevity and reliability. Almost all the commercial vehicles you see out there driven by Federal Express and people like that are on these Mercedes Sprinter chassis. They're very, very sought after for their quality, their reliability, and their economy. Now let's show you how pretty a Galleria is. Follow me. Now the Galleria is awesome because, first of all, when you look around inside, they're beautiful. They're the only rig I know of that has a solid lumber interior. There's no laminates, no particle boards, no press boards in this entire interior. It's just beautiful stuff, and you'll see that as you look around here. It's lovely. Also, they've made some lighter woods available, and I really like that. This industry's been under a cloud of black walnut and dark cherry for years, so I'm really glad to see these new sort of ash colors and maples and things starting to come out. Now, if you look around the interior here, the first thing you're going to notice is that in the front, it's just a regular van. It has normal driving positions. It has all of the loaded features. In fact, this vehicle has heated seats, and it also has all of the great safety features that Mercedes makes available, like the lane alert system if you're drifting out of your lane. One of the best features, I think, is the blind spot alert. So if you're getting ready to turn, you can discover if somebody's in your blind spot before you do. There's really a lot of stuff to talk to about the Mercedes chassis. And then, of course, we take that chassis, we build this beautiful motorhome on it. In this front space, the 2 seats in the very front can be swiveled around, so the whole van can become living space, and it makes it really comfortable. You can actually put a table here and socialize people around there, and so it's a really useful thing. Another thing a lot of people don't realize is that these 2 seats are removable. So if sometimes you say, I don't need the ability to seatbelt 7 people, I'd rather just use it for us as a couple, you could take these 2 seats out and open this area up for storage and elbow room. Speaking of storage, look at all the cabinets. I'm just going to keep going as we go down the line here. This thing has just got a ton of storage. You can see here down each side lots and lots of storage, and there's even a big one in the very, very back. Now also, as we look back here, you can see we've just walked past this beautiful galley with a really long open cabinetry. So one of the great things about this one is that this is all windows and light all the way down. No big wall behind the driver's seat. Sometimes vans are really tight for tall guys. This one doesn't have that feeling at all. And you have a lot of counter space. So it's the most open and spacious feeling camper van in terms of its design. It also has an all-electric refrigerator, has a microwave convection oven down here, has a beautiful deep stainless steel sink right here. And one thing I really like, this has the induction cooktop. Now you've probably seen these on TV, the ones that don't get hot to the touch even though you can fry food on them. That's what this is, and the beauty of it is there's no open flame in your galley, right? You're just cooking with an electric cooktop. It really makes a lot of sense for a small space like this. Now, look at the bathroom. See, isn't that nice? That's all fiberglass around there. You do have a porcelain toilet. There is a curtain to protect your doorways if you're taking a shower, but it's really pretty roomy and it's very easy to keep clean and care for. There's also a big exhaust fan right over my head that'll literally take the air out of here to the point that you'll have the easiness of getting moisture out of your rig. You don't have that dank, moist air inside. Now, as we get back here, this is kind of the main living compartment, and what's beautiful about this is it can do a lot of things. This can be set up here, so it's like a seating area there's a dinette table that can be here. You can sit people around that. You can also make this into bedding, and this will be twin beds, and I have a switch I'll push in just a moment to show you. Or you can also fill this centerpiece in with these other cushions and make it a king-size bed. The nice thing is you can sleep however you prefer. If you have a guest that you want to give a twin bed to, that's fine. If you want to hop in and out of bed easily, the twin beds also let you do that. And if you want the king bed, you can do it. So whatever you like. Now watch how easy this sets up. All I got to do is push this button, and that's it. It's bedtime. Now I can throw my bedding here, or I can leave it down and use it as a permanent bedding area because I have plenty of seating in the front, and that's one of the great things about this floor plan too. A little trick that I also really like on this, I'm going to show you here. I can just lift this down about halfway, and I got a really comfortable place to watch my movie or read my book. There's a beautiful home entertainment system built into this, great stereo system. All of that is in here. So that's a quick overview of the Galleria Class B from Coachmen. And again, this is a 2018. I don't have very many choices left for 2018. There's savings available there to you, so if you act quickly, you could get this one right here. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. If you have any questions, give me a call. My name is Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.